City, we're looking at a snowy day ahead. Our forecast for today calls for cloudy skies with a high of 25 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 10 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a 100% chance of a blizzard for today. We are expecting the winds to be 50 miles per hour. We're still experiencing a blizzard. Let's turn it over to Ariana, who is on the scene right now. Ariana, tell us what's going on.
Hi folks, right now we are experiencing a disaster event. It is snowing outside right now. Stay inside today. It is a windy day. Drive safe and slow. Just warned today. Back over to you, Hallie.
Thanks for the report, Ariana. As you can see, folks, there is a blizzard, so take care of yourself out there. And now, here is what you can expect for your 5-day forecast. Monday, blizzard. High of 25, low 10. Tuesday, cloudy. High of 23, low 22. Wednesday, sunny. High of 24, low of 15. Thursday, also sunny. High of 37, low 17. Friday, cloudy. High 22, low 15. Thanks for watching. Keep it here for all your weather updates.